last fragment of the Allspark was stolen.
Guys, this is for Gianni, okay? So, and you guys can watch this video as well. So today is the big day. Come on, after this conversion, I should finally have enough. Come on.
That is why they must be reminded by another.
It is right there. And boom! We have enough for the porcelain dipper. Let's go. Let's go. We got enough for the porcelain dipper. Let's go get it. Let's go get the porcelain dipper. And come on, it's a big day. Come on. Open. Come on. Get it. Yes! Yes! We got the porcelain dipper. Huh? We get the porcelain dipper. Let's go. We got the porcelain dipper. Oh my god, it's a glory to look at this thing. I love this thing. Oh my god. Let's go. Come on, let's see. Let's see this thing. Oh my gosh, this is the best thing. This is literally the best thing I ever had. Look at this. Boom, look at that. Oh my god, this is literally amazing. It's literally amazing. Let's try out the strawberry field. I can literally do quests with this thing. I can literally do the ant challenge. I can literally do the ant challenge and I can probably get the diamond amulet. Now I just love this thing. I literally love this thing. Look at this. I completed my goal. I completed it. Yes. I completed it. Yes, let's go. Make sure you like and subscribe. And Gianni, if you're watching this video, what will my next goal be? Okay guys, I'm doing the ant challenge right now. And now I really know the chaos when you do the ant challenge. For the first 4 rounds, everything just so quick. Okay. You could just hear the movie in the background right now. The Transformer movie. Okay. So I just know the chaos when you do the ant challenge when you had the porcelain dipper. For the first 4 rounds, it literally just chaotic.
I want to get the porcelain dipper.
25 bees and 150 million honey. It literally took me 4 days to get the porcelain dipper. For the first 2 days, I got 100 million honey. For the 3rd day, I got 20 million honey. Later, I was playing Build a Boat. And then today, I got another 30 million honey, so I can get the porcelain dipper. Okay. was my last aim pass.